Hi guys, today I got here another master number 5, and I'll be bumping it open for you. Lock does work. It's just a standard laminated padlock. Here's a look at the key bitting. Here's a look at the bump key. I didn't make it, I bought it. I bought several actually. Very, very long time ago. There we go. Open up. As you can tell, I'm not very good at lock bumping. It's not my preferred method. I'd rather sit down and just pick a lock open. Anyway, found this master number 5, and figured I'd make a quick vid. On bump keys, you see like a lot of internet websites trying to sell you like 30 or 40. You really don't need that. You only need like 4 or 5 different keys to learn the concept and apply it. Save yourself some money. And here's a look at the key bitting for this lock. It's got some numbers on it. I can read them off to you on the bow of the key. Let's see, 32A2 on the bow of the key, and it's just a standard laminated padlock, master number 5. You'll see this again. I'll pick this lock open probably later in the week. Found another lock. I'll be picking this one open also. It's just a brass colored padlock. Nothing really special about it. So that's going to be coming up in another video. But that's about it. As always, have a good one.